Welcome to Learn PTE HUB. I'm Sidhu, and I'm here to help you ace your PTE exam. Whether you're just starting your PTE journey or looking to boost your score, you've come to the right place. On this channel, you'll find comprehensive lessons, expert tips, and practical strategies to master every section of the PTE exam. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started and conquer the PTE together.
Hey everybody, this is a message from Learn PTE Hub. I really hope everyone is doing fantastic today. I'm back with another super awesome POA video on some shocking updates that you don't need to panic about. Before we dive into the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly click on the subscribe button. If you ever need online assistance, it's a paid service, and you can check the information in the description of this video. We've shared a WhatsApp link that you can click on and directly text us. I'll be there to help guide you in the right direction. Alright, without further delay, let's get right into the video. Let me just share my screen and talk about all the shocking updates. Are there any updates? 100% yes. Since last week, Pearson is back with 2 new question trials that were introduced some time back, in December. From December mid to February start, if you had taken the exam, you would have seen these 2 trial questions. These same trial questions are now appearing for those taking the exam between April 10th to July 31st, 2024. So, when such a thing happens, do we need to worry? Why are they doing it? What are those modules? Will they be scored? Should I skip them? If I skip them, will I lose marks? All these things we'll discuss in this video. It's going to be a short video. What are these 2 questions trialing that happened in December to January end of February? The same question trialing is now happening again. It's the same module. But as you all know, in December, they introduced 2 new question trials. One is respond to a situation, and the other is summarize group discussion. This respond to a situation was adopted to the PD Core, an exam for Canadian PR, introduced from the end of February to March. They were using our free input in the name of PTE Academic by introducing these 2 question trials. Out of those 2, respond to a situation and summarize group discussion, they took respond to a situation probably because it worked well and gave good results. We don't know for sure, but they took it to PTE Core, and it was over. But now, they're back with the same 2 questions trialing for those taking the exam between April 10th to July 31st. We have a lot of time, probably another 3 to 4 months, April, May, June, July. So, 4 months this is going to come. It's applicable for PTE Academic only at the moment, not for PTE Core. For those giving the PTE Academic exam for Australia or worldwide, including PTE Academic UK, UKVI, especially for the London Visa UK visa, this also can be applicable. Are they scored? Pearson says they are not scored. Does that mean I can skip them? Probably yes, but do I recommend skipping them? No. Can I skip them? You can skip them, trust me, but there's a very easy way to do it. I don't recommend skipping it. Let's do it in a very easy way so that you build more confidence. You can consider these trial questions as a kind of example so that you can exhibit your speech and maintain that rhythm. For the next set of questions like describe image or read aloud, you get that rhythm. You can use these as just an example, not as a main thing. We'll discuss more in just a while. In which order do these questions appear in the speaking module? There's no certainty. It can come in any order. Usually, it will not come at the very beginning. The beginning will be read aloud 99% of the time. I've talked to students who recently gave the exam. They told me that after repeat sentence, it came for some. For others, it came after describe image. So, it could come in any order, but usually not in the first 2, read aloud or repeat sentence. But if it comes, it's totally fine. You should know what to do. You can skip them, but I personally recommend you speak something. Let that be good data for the software. How to speak? We'll just say it's a very simple thing. Don't worry if you're not really getting it. In the worst case scenario, you can just skip them. It should not be an issue. But if you're getting what I'm telling you, it's a very simple thing. You can just speak something that is suitable. Why is Pearson introducing these two new types? Yes, I had a hunch back in December when I made this video. I thought it could be for PTE Core. But then, one of the modules got into PTE Core. Now, PTE Core, all the modules are done. Then why are they testing this summarized group discussion? We don't know. Pearson says it's part of the research, but the truth could be they could be changing the pattern of PTE Academic. We don't know. They could be changing the pattern of PTE Core. We don't know. But for sure, there will be a surprising factor. One of the modules of this trial question was introduced to PTE Core in February. Now, the other module is left. If you ask me, probably there could be some changes very soon. But don't panic. It's totally fine. Let them introduce whatever it is. We are here to guide you in the right direction. You can just apply the things and get the scores. Why is Pearson introducing two new types at the moment? It's for research purposes. That's what they say. But my hunch is probably there could be some changes with respect to academic or core. It could be anything. We don't know. Any one of these modules can be incorporated into any of these exams. Is PTE changing? Yes, as I answered you, 99.99% of the times, no, it is not changing. If it is changing, there could be a 1% factor where one module might be changing or one module might be introduced. That's all. Apart from that, not much changes. Has anyone scored 90 by skipping them? My students have skipped and got 90. But most of them have spoken something and still got 90. So we have both. My suggestion is, let's speak. We don't know how the software will work. If there is some background bug and if you skip them, what if it gives fewer scores? We don't know. But it will not. I'm telling you, you can skip them. But try doing it, is what I would suggest. I'm going to help you understand how to do it in a very simple way possible. So, has anyone scored 90 by skipping them? Yes, people are getting it. But at the same time, people who did not skip them also got 90. So, my suggestion is, let's use it so that you would be in that rhythm. You would become more confident. See this as a platform for you to practice in the main exam because it is not scored. Hope you're getting it. Don't skip them. Let's speak it. Let's speak. If you really hate this, if you don't have time to memorize a new template that I'm going to show you in this video, then yes, you can skip it. But if you have time, then let's learn it. Alright, the very first trial question is respond to a situation. They'll give you a situation, and you should just respond. You have a seminar tomorrow, but you're sick. You went to see a doctor, blah blah blah. They'll speak. You'll get some time. Once they finish speaking, probably they'll speak for 10 to 12 seconds. Once they finish speaking, then they'll give you 25 seconds to prepare. So overall, 35 to 40 seconds, you get to look at the scenario, read quickly, and prepare some notes. Response time is 40 seconds. You need to speak. Don't speak for 40 seconds. 20 seconds, if you speak, that's more than enough. So, how to fix this? You have a seminar tomorrow, you are sick, you went to see a doctor, and you're advised to take 1 week of rest. So you go to the professor's office, and what do you say to him? Hello, Mr. Professor. Since the doctor has advised me to take 1 week off, I won't be able to submit the essay which was due tomorrow. So please allow me 1 more week so that I can come out of my problems and do the essay submission properly. I would really hope you will do this for me, seeing my future. Something like this. You need to speak logically, correctly, and confidently. Don't panic. You can skip it, but if you really want to do it, let's do it this way. For PTE Core, we have a different template that I will also show you. This is a PTE Core module, by the way, which is coming in PTE Academic in the name of trial questions. How to answer the template. Hi Sidhu, I know it's already very late, but I would like to request you to please understand the complexity of the issue and do the needful. It's quite overwhelming for me to accept that I'm not well and would be able to attend the class for a week. Your contribution to the scenario will do wonders as far as my life is concerned. So I would wholeheartedly request you to please consider it for one more last time, and my sincere apologies if I've committed any mistake during the 3 years in this beautiful place. Just memorize this and speak by filling one line. Will it work? Yes, it will work. You may get a better score as well. But yes, like I told you, it's only for research purposes. It will not be scored. But if you're really willing to give that as an example, then you can memorize this and tell. Or you can memorize a simple way which I just told you. Next is summarize group discussion. A group of people discusses a topic. Your job is to summarize the discussion in 70 words. They'll give you the text. You need to read that and speak. Just speak what you read in your own words. It's not like summarize spoken text. They're giving you the text. Read the text. Write in your own words. Don't worry about grammar. Just say what you understand. In the next 20 seconds, do this. You'll not lose anything because it's only for research purposes. So don't worry too much about it. Alright, friends. I hope this video has clarified a lot of things. The only takeaway from this is you can skip it, but I recommend you to speak. I'm pretty sure the software will not take the marks if you don't speak. It will only take a breath. As of now, we don't know what exactly they are doing. The takeaway is you can skip it, but don't worry if you can't skip it. Try to speak. Please subscribe to this channel. If you haven't yet, just click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you get the notification of my videos whenever I upload them. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. Do give it a like if you found it helpful. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.